Day 75 of sanding this wood block for 1 minute and 10 seconds a day until it becomes a perfect sphere. Today, the block made it on vacation for the very first time. Even though the day was packed, the routine continues. Sanding doesn't stop just because the location changes. Consistency travels with you wherever you go. Stay dedicated, no matter where life takes you.